one fun fact about me, and I love to share this, is I have one older brother. So, dalawa lang kami magkapatid, which means I idolize him so much. So, sa lahat ng mga sports niya, sa lahat ng mga interests niya, I try to put effort on it also. So, kunyari, swimming, I want to also try swimming, and I want to beat him in swimming. Sobrang idol ko yung brother ko. That's why, growing up, medyo tomboyish ako. So most of my friends from grade school and high school would actually laugh at me when they see me in my beauty queen mode. Kasi never daw nilang ma-imagine na maging ganito ako. Because one good story was, yung teacher ko nung high school, sabi niya, oh, ito si Hanson. Dati naglalaro lang to ng tumbang preso sa likod ng classroom. At ito pa mga lalaki pa, lahat ng kalaro niya. At siya pa yung naghahari ng game. So they would laugh at me when they see me now in my beauty queen mode. But that's a really fun fact about me. So yeah, maybe that's why I'm competitive also. But it's one of the reasons also why I'm strong and determined, and yun. So I did enjoy that growing up.
Thank you, Faye.